Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable Snapchat keyboard on your device. With the new update, Snapchat has integrated a keyboard you can use on your phone just for fun. Here's how to enable it. Open your Snapchat app. Click on your profile at the top left corner. Click on settings. Scroll down and look for keyboard extensions. Click on it. It's going to open the Snapchat keyboard section. Now click on Open Settings. It will take you to your on-screen keyboard settings. So here, you're going to enable Snapchat keyboard. Click on OK and click on OK. Click on Choose Keyboard and select Snapchat. Then you're all set. I'm going to switch to Snapchat keyboard. As you can see right here, from here you can bring up your emojis, your GIF, all the tools Snapchat has comes with the keyboard. So that's how you enable Snapchat keyboard. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.